Hi everyone. Now we can see knowledge score based on university prediction. In this, we are predicting USA and UK universities. So this is the output of the knowledge score based on university prediction. Now we will see in coding part. So in this, we are using Python, Flask framework, MySQLite, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript also. And we have data sets. These are the for this data sets. So this is the training code. We need to install these libraries for predicting. And this is the path of CSV file, like datasets. We defined the dataset file path. This all the for graphs and the training models is there. Like this, it will work. Now we can run the training code. In this training code, we are using KNN algorithm for predicting the university. So it will take little bit of time. Code is running. So in this, pandas reading the dataset file. And university is reading from pandas. That also displaying in terminal. We can see in graph in this is the graph of KNN algorithm using models. So now we can go to main code. This is the main code of college university prediction. In this, we are using Flask framework and MySQLite 3. And these and all the libraries for main code. It will display for website. We are defined the Flask application. Data are reading in pandas. And for score based for predicting, we are using KNN algorithm. So this is the algorithm are displaying. In this we are using KNN algorithm, right? For that code, this and all routing for HTML pages. We have many HTML files. For that, we are using Flask framework using to routing this. So this is the home page of routing, and this is the prediction. Like if we upload the dataset from scores, it will display. For that, this is the MySQL Lite we are using. This is register for routing. In this, we can register the user details. Routing for login page, we can use to, if you already registered, we can use to through the login. Like that, we have more routes for this web application. Now we will run this application. In this main code is app.py. So I will run for that command Python app.py. If we run Python app.py, we will get one URL. We can copy from paste in any browser. I'm using Chrome browser. If you want, you can choose another browser also. This is the home page of college score based on university prediction. In this, neighbor have register and login also there. Just I'm doing register demo. I'll give. Give just mail demo user@gmail.com. I have, and we need to create password also. If you give in this, we can see registration successfully. It directly redirect from login page. We can log in that you email and password used to demo user and password. If you don't have account, you can register like that. This is the my profile page. In this, we can update also is there. If you need to change password also, we can modify. If I give last user something, I will give means it will update. I will give users like this. See, now we can see profile was updated. And this is the prediction page. For predicting two buttons there, if we click take me, it will directly go to score form. We have data set. In this, we can see if I give in this details, college will display, like predict will display. This is GREV score. This is GREQ score and GREA also, and CGPA also. CGPA is 4. If I submit, it will predict. Now we can see colleges, recommended colleges. See, this many colleges are displaying. And in this, which department is, if you take any department, we can see that colleges also. This is CSS colleges and countries will display for this. And also we can see another departments. This is for mechanical and this is for triple E. This and all displaying. And this for IT. And this is for civil. This is for MBA. And finally for nursing. Like this it will work. And also we can log out. If you give log out, it will directly go to login page. Like this we can predict college score based on university prediction. Thank you.